Welcome to Pure Vital Life, where we uncover the deepest secrets of your body and guide you toward perfect health today. Deep within your abdomen lie two bean-shaped organs, working tirelessly to purify your blood and keep your body in perfect balance. They are the silent guardians of your health, processing nearly 200 quarts of blood every single day without rest. However, most of us are unknowingly destroying these precious organs with daily habits that seem completely harmless on the surface. Today, we are counting down the 4 most dangerous habits that damage your kidneys, ranked by their severity and hidden danger. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to protect yourself and prevent irreversible damage to your system. We have arranged this list in ascending order of danger, so make sure you watch until the very last number 1. When your kidneys fail, toxins build up rapidly, turning your own body into a poisonous environment for your vital cells. Prevention is always better than cure, and knowledge is the most powerful tool you have to maintain your longevity. Let us begin this crucial journey immediately, starting with a habit that affects millions of office workers around the world. Coming in at number 4 is a silent killer that we call the stagnant water, or simply a sedentary lifestyle. In our modern world, we spend more time sitting in chairs than we do moving, and our kidneys suffer greatly. When you sit for prolonged periods, your metabolism slows down significantly, and the blood flow to your vital organs decreases. Think of your kidneys as a flowing river. When the water stops moving, it becomes stagnant, dirty, and full of toxins. Physical inactivity reduces the efficiency of your kidneys, making it harder for them to filter out waste products from blood. This lack of movement is directly linked to higher blood pressure and glucose levels, which are major risk factors. Studies have shown that sitting for more than 8 hours a day increases your risk of kidney disease by 30%. Without the pumping action of your muscles, your kidneys do not receive the optimal pressure needed for efficient filtration. The solution is simple. You must break the cycle of sitting by standing up and moving every single hour. Set a timer on your phone or watch to remind yourself to walk, stretch, or do some light exercise. This simple act restores blood flow, allowing your kidneys to flush out toxins effectively and maintain their healthy function. Regular movement acts as a natural pump for your lymphatic system and blood vessels, supporting every organ in your body. Just like a plant needs water and sunlight, your kidneys need movement to thrive and perform their essential duties. Now that we have covered the danger of stagnation, we must move on to something that looks deceptively harmless. Number 3 on our dangerous list is what we call harmless pills, specifically the over-the-counter painkillers you take. We often reach for painkillers like ibuprofen or naproxen to treat headaches or muscle pain without a second thought. These drugs are known as NSAIDs, and while they reduce pain, they also reduce the blood flow to your kidneys. By constricting the blood vessels, these pills can cause acute kidney injury if used too frequently or in high doses. Many people take these pills daily for chronic pain, unaware that they are slowly poisoning their own filtration system. Long-term use of these medications is a leading cause of analgesic nephropathy, a condition that leads to kidney failure. Instead of reaching for a pill immediately, try natural pain relief methods like hydration, rest, or gentle physical therapy. Always read the warning labels and never exceed the recommended dose, as your kidneys cannot process large amounts safely. If you suffer from chronic pain, consult your doctor for safer alternatives that do not put stress on your kidneys. Protecting your kidneys from unnecessary medication is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your long-term health. As we move closer to the top spot, we encounter a villain that hides in plain sight in your kitchen. Number 2 is the invisible crystal, which refers to the excessive salt hidden in the processed foods you eat. You might think you are safe because you do not use the salt shaker, but that is a dangerous misconception. More than 75% of the sodium we consume comes directly from processed foods like bread, cereals, and canned soups. These invisible crystals cause your body to hold on to water, increasing the volume of blood coursing through your veins. This extra fluid volume drives up your blood pressure, which is the second leading cause of kidney failure worldwide. High blood pressure acts like a wrecking ball, damaging the tiny filtering units in your kidneys known as nephrons. Once these nephrons are damaged, they cannot filter waste effectively, leading to a vicious cycle of further blood pressure increase. To protect yourself, you must become a detective and inspect food labels for hidden sodium in every package you buy. Choose fresh, whole foods over processed options, and try to cook at home where you can control the seasoning. Use herbs, spices, garlic, and lemon juice to add flavor to your meals without spiking your blood pressure levels. Reducing your salt intake is one of the most effective ways to lower blood pressure and save your kidneys immediately. We have now reached the most critical part of our video, the number one enemy that destroys kidneys everywhere. The number one kidney destroyer is the sweet destroyer, refined sugar and white flour, the primary cause of diabetes. When you consume too much sugar, your blood becomes thick and sticky, making it incredibly difficult to circulate properly. This excess sugar causes a process called glycation, literally caramelizing and hardening the delicate tissues of your kidney filters. Sugar is the leading cause of diabetes, which is statistically the number one cause of kidney failure in the world. Your kidneys are forced to work overtime to filter out this excess sugar, leading to severe exhaustion and permanent damage. It is not just sweets. Refined flour in bread and pasta converts rapidly to sugar, spiking your insulin levels dangerously. Consistently high blood sugar damages the blood vessels in the kidneys so badly that they start to leak protein. If you notice foamy urine, it might be a sign that your kidneys are leaking protein due to sugar damage. You must drastically reduce your intake of sugar and refined carbohydrates to protect your kidneys from this sweet destruction. Switch to complex carbohydrates like whole grains, vegetables, and legumes, which provide energy without the dangerous blood sugar spikes. Stabilizing your blood sugar is the single most important step you can take to prevent kidney disease and failure. We have uncovered the four enemies: sedentary lifestyle, painkillers, hidden salt, and the sweet destroyer of sugar and flour. Eliminating these habits will not only save your kidneys, but will also revitalize your entire body and energy levels. Remember to drink enough water, move your body daily, eat whole foods, and use medications only when absolutely necessary. Your kidneys are resilient, and if you start making changes today, you can halt and even reverse some damage. If you found this information life-saving, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your loved ones. We are dedicated to bringing you the most vital health information to help you live a long, pain-free life. Your health is your greatest wealth, and protecting your kidneys is the foundation of a vibrant and energetic future. Thank you for watching Pure Vital Life. Please subscribe for more life-saving insights and take care of your precious health always. Stay vital, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video with more secrets for a better life. Let's quickly recap. Move more, avoid unnecessary pills, check labels for salt, and cut down on sugar starting today. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods like salmon can also help reduce inflammation and support your overall kidney function naturally. Do not forget that quality sleep is when your body performs its deepest repair work, including your kidney tissues. Starting your day with warm lemon water is a gentle way to flush out toxins accumulated during your sleep. Monitoring your blood pressure at home gives you control and early warning signs before any serious damage can occur. Limiting alcohol consumption is another powerful step, as alcohol dehydrates the body and puts extra strain on your kidneys. Smoking slows blood flow to every organ, So quitting is essential if you want to keep your kidneys functioning. Managing stress through breathing exercises helps lower blood pressure, which in turn protects your kidneys from hypertension damage. Berries are excellent superfoods for your kidneys, packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress in your body. Reducing red meat intake lowers the acid load on your kidneys, making their filtration job much easier and sustainable. Sip water consistently throughout the day instead of flooding your system all at once to maintain steady hydration levels. Regular checkups allow your doctor to spot early signs of kidney trouble through simple blood and urine tests. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the physical pressure on your kidneys and lowers the risk of developing diabetes. Never hold your urine for too long, as this can lead to bacterial infections that may travel to kidneys. Educating yourself about your body is a continuous journey that pays dividends in the form of a longer life. Share these healthy habits with your family, creating a supportive environment where everyone thrives and stays healthy together. It is never too late to start. Even small changes made today can have a profound impact on tomorrow. Treat your kidneys with love and respect, and they will reward you with energy, vitality, and a clean system. Remember that health is a lifelong journey, not a destination, and every healthy choice is a step forward. Join a community of health-conscious individuals to stay motivated and accountable on your path to better kidney health. Avoid sitting too long, skip the pills, watch the salt, and quit the sugar to become your best self. Keep your internal rivers flowing clean and clear, and your body will function like a well-oiled machine forever. As the sun sets, rest assured that your healthy choices today have secured a better, brighter morning for tomorrow. Your kidneys are truly the filters of life, essential guardians that deserve your attention, care, and protection every day. Do not wait for a diagnosis to start caring. The best time to act for your health is right now. By sharing this video, you could potentially save a friend or family member from the pain of kidney disease. Let us know in the comments below which of these 4 habits you find the most difficult to quit. We love hearing from our community and learning about your personal journeys toward better health and vitality. Check out our other videos on the screen for more tips on how to detox your body naturally. We truly appreciate your time and trust in us as your source for reliable and life-changing health information. Nature has provided us with everything we need to heal. We just need to learn how to use it. This is Pure Vital Life, reminding you that a pure body leads to a vital and energetic life. Like a ripple in a pond, one small healthy change can spread and improve every aspect of your life. Breathe deeply, live fully, and cherish the amazing vessel that allows you to experience this beautiful world. Your heart and kidneys work as a team. Protect one, and you automatically protect the other for years. Stay consistent with your healthy habits, and do not be discouraged if you slip up. Just start again. Fill your plate with colors from nature, and you will naturally crowd out the processed foods that cause harm. Think of your loved ones who want you around for a long time. Let them be your motivation. Recharge your body's battery by eliminating toxins, and you will be amazed at how much energy you have. Your body is a miracle of the universe. Treat it with the reverence and care it truly deserves. We promise to continue bringing you the truth about health, cutting through the noise to find what works. Make sure you are subscribed and have notifications turned on so you never miss a vital health update. Join our growing global family of health warriors who are taking control of their destiny one day at a time. Pure Vital Life is here to serve you, guide you, and celebrate every victory on your path to wellness. Thank you once again for watching. We wish you perfect health, endless joy, and a strong, vibrant life. Goodbye for now. Take care. And remember to always prioritize your pure, vital life every single day.